Hello guys, welcome back Dharam's Code Mystery 7. In this video we will learn how we can install the current Python version on Windows 11. With that we will also run a simple Python program after installing. Let's start it. First go to our favorite web browser and Google type
Python. Press enter. Official website visible www.python.org. Click on it. Here is the official website. Now keep the mouse cursor on download. Now you can see current version Python 3.12.5 is visible. Click on it to download. It will download it. Download has been started. Here download completed. Now right click on it. Open to start installing Python. Now setup started here and at first selected Python exe to path. Now click customize installation. This shows what we are installing. It will install pip also. Install pip which can download and install other Python packages and ideally installs tkinter and the ideally development environment. Click on next. Here advanced option, it will install Python 3.12 for all user and add Python to environment variable. Okay. And Python will get installed in the following location under program files. Keep it as default. You can change it from here. Click browser button, but keep it as it is, no problem. Click install. Now the installation started. Guys, we have successfully installed Python. Close. Now let us verify the installation. Go to start type cmd. Press enter. Open the cmd command prompt. Here is a type command python hyphen version python hyphen version. Press enter. This show that we successfully installed Python. Now type py. Press enter. This is a Python shell and you can directly run the program here by typing the print command. Print. It will print it. If you want an IDE, so I hope you remember we install idly. So go to start type idle. IDLE. Click on it. Open idle. Here it is, you can run a program here, print. Let me print something using same command, using the same method. Press enter and it will print it you can then save it. You can also save the file by clicking file menu, save as. Let's say I'll say I want to desktop. Let me name it dharams.py. Save. It's saved. Now you can see here Python file is visible here. Okay. So I hope guys my video has helped you. If yes, then don't forget to hit on like button, and if you have any kind of query or you are facing any problem, you can put in comment box. It will surely reply to your query. And guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to receive notification of my channel. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Till I will see in you next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, keep learning guys. Thank you guys.